Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your math class. How are you all? I hope you will be fine and stay at your home. So, my dear students, today we will discuss about subtraction with borrowing. In previous class, we have studied simple subtraction, but today we will discuss about subtraction with borrowing. Okay, but very first we will discuss about previous class homework. In previous class I had given you to some question based on subtraction. Okay, so let us start to match your answer. A, we have to subtract 2 from 62. Okay, 62 minus 2, so 2 minus 2 0 and 6 same. Okay, look at B, 98 minus 76. So firstly we will start from 1s, so 8 minus 6 2, and from 10 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Okay, look at C, 5 minus 2 3 and 8 minus 3 5. Okay, at D, 5 minus 4 1, 4 minus 1 3 and 3 minus 2 1. Okay, look at E, 8 minus 8 0, 7 minus 6 1 and 6 minus 5 1. Okay, 5 minus 0 5, 3 minus 2 1 and 9 minus 7 2. Okay, look at G, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 7 minus 2 5, again 7 minus 2 5. Okay, next H, 8 minus 5 3, 6 minus 4 2 and 7 minus 3 4. Okay, next I, 2 minus 1 1, 8 minus 7 1 and 4 same. Okay, 4. J, 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 2 2, 6 minus 5 1 and 7 minus 2 5. Next K, 8 minus 7 1, 4 minus 0 4, 6 minus 3 3 and 9 minus 8 1. Okay, look at L, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 3 2, 6 minus 2 4 and 4 minus 4 0. Okay, look at M, 9 minus 8 1, 5 minus 4 1, 4 minus 3 1 and 5 minus 4 1. Look at N, 4 minus 3 1, 8 minus 5 3, 6 minus 2 4 and 8 minus 7 1. Okay, look at O, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 7 2 and again 9 minus 7 2. So this is the solution of your homework. I hope you all have done your homework and match your answers with this solution. Okay, now I am going to start our today's class, subtraction with borrowing. Okay, subtraction with borrowing. Okay, as we know, we cannot subtract bigger number from the smaller number. So for subtracting bigger number from smaller number, we will borrow from neighboring digit. Okay, so now we will see how we will borrow from neighboring digit and how we can write it. Okay, so as we know, ones singular and 10 ones is equal to 1 tens, and 10 tens is equal to 100, and 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. Okay, so here is a number 2657. In this number we will see how we will borrow number one digit from neighboring digit and how we can write it. Okay, so here 2657, 7 at ones place, 5 at tens place, 6 at hundred place, and 2 at thousand place. Okay, so firstly here 7 at ones place, and now we will borrow 1 from tens. We will borrow 1 from tens. So if we can see here 5 tens, 5 tens, and we will borrow 1 from 5, so it's 1 ten. It will give 1 ten to ones. 5 tens will give 1 tens to 1, and as we know 1 ten is equal to 10 ones. 1 ten is equal to 10 ones, and we can see here at ones 7 ones already, so 7 ones plus 10 ones is equal to 17 ones. Okay, so we will cross the 7 and write 17 ones. Okay, and at tens place here only 4 will left. Only 4 tens will left because 5 tens have given 1 tens to ones. Okay, now 5 tens will borrow from 6 hundreds. Okay, so 600 will give 100 to tens. So as we know 100 is equal to 10 tens. 100 is equal to 10 tens. So at tens place 4 tens, and we will add 4 tens plus 10 tens. So it will be 14 tens. Okay, so we will cross the 5 and write 14 tens. Okay, so at 100 place only 500 will left because 100 have given 100 to tens. Okay, so now 100 will borrow 1 from 1000. 100 will borrow 1 from 1000. So as we know 1000 is equal to 1000. So at 100 place only 500s. So we will add 500 plus 1000 is equal to 1500. So we will write here 1500. Okay, and now how many thousand are left? So here only 1000 because 2 have given 1000 to 100. So here be only 1000. So this is how we can borrow and how we can write it. I hope it will help you to solving subtraction with borrowing. Okay, so let us start with example. Example number first, subtract 2657 from 7123. So step first is write the smaller number below the bigger number. Okay, हम सबसे पहले स्मॉलर नंबर को नीचे लिखेंगे और बिगर नंबर को ऊपर लिखेंगे. ओके, So we will write 7123 and minus 2657. Okay, and we will denote ones, tens, hundred and thousand. And now we will start to subtract. We will subtract from ones. Okay, so we know we cannot subtract 7 ones from 3 ones because 3 is less than 7. So we cannot subtract 7 ones from 3 ones. So to subtracting it, we will borrow 1 from tens. We will borrow 1 from tens. So at tens place 2 tens. So 2 will give 1 tens to ones. 1 tens to ones. And as we know, 1 tenth is equal to 10 ones. So at ones place, here will be 3 ones plus 10 ones is equal to 13 ones. So we will cross the 3 and write 13 ones. Okay, and now we will subtract. We can subtract it because 13 is greater than 7. So subtract 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Okay, move on tens. At tens place, here will be only 1 left. Okay, and we cannot subtract 5 from 1. So again we will borrow from 100. Again we will borrow from 100. So 100 will give to tens. As we know, 100 is equal to 10 tens. So here will be 1 tens already. 1 tens plus 10 tens is equal to 11 tens. Okay, so we will cross the 2 and write 11. So now we can subtract 5 from 11. So 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Okay, and now move on 100. At 100, if 100 have given 1 to 10, so here will be left only 0, and we cannot subtract 6 from 0. So again we will borrow from 1000. So 1000 will give 1000 to 100. We know 1000 is equal to 1000. So at 100 place only 0 has left. So 000 plus 1000 is equal to 1000. So we will write at 100 place 1000. And now we can subtract 6 from 10. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Okay, at 1000 place only left 6000. Okay, because 7000 have given 1000 to 100. So now we will subtract 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So the answer is 4466. सब्ट्रैक्ट करते समय हम कभी भी छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, बोरो करना पड़ेगा। तो हम बोरो किससे करेंगे, आगे अपने नेबरिंग डिजिट से। सो जैसे कि अगर आपके पास सपोज दैट आपके पास मनी नहीं है, ठीक है, और आपको अपने फ्रेंड की हेल्प करनी है, तो आप किससे लोगे, आप अपने फादर से लोगे ना। तो आप अपने फादर से लोगे, आपके फादर ने आपको 10 रुपीज़ दिए, आपके फादर ने आपको 10 रुपीज़ दिए, तो फिर आप उनका चेंज करके अपने फ्रेंड को दे सकते हैं ना। इन सेम वे उसी तरह हम यहाँ भी इसको सॉल्व करते हैं, क्योंकि हमें 3 में से 7 को माइनस करना है, हम 3 में से 7 को माइनस कर नहीं सकते हैं, तो हम क्या करेंगे, अपने बगल से उससे बोरो करेंगे। तो हम इससे 1/10 लेंगे, लेकिन 1 टेंस इज इक्वल टू 10 वंस होता है। सो यहाँ पे पहले से ही 3 वंस है, तो 3 वंस में हम 10 वंस को ऐड कर देंगे, कितना होगा 13 वन। सो यहाँ पे हम 3 को कट करके 13 वंस राइट करेंगे। अब हम 13 वंस में से 7 वंस को माइनस कर सकते हैं। सो 13 वंस माइनस 7 वंस इज इक्वल टू 6 वंस। ओके, अगेन यहाँ पे टेंस प्लेस पे 2 था, बट इसने 2 में से 1 वंस को 1 10 वंस को दे दिया था, तो यहाँ पे कितना बचेगा, केवल 1। अब हमें 1 में से 5 माइनस करना है, ये भी हम नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि 1 छोटा है और 5 बड़ा है। तो फिर से हम क्या करेंगे, हम 100 से बोरो करेंगे। ठीक है, जब हम 100 से बोरो करेंगे तो 100 क्या देगा, 1 देगा, और 100 इज इक्वल टू 10 टेंस। तो हम यहाँ पे 1 पहले से ही है, तो 1 टेंस प्लस 10 टेंस इज इक्वल टू 11 टेंस। अब यहाँ कितना हो गया, टेंस प्लेस पे 11 टेंस। अब हम इजीली 11 में से 5 को माइनस कर सकते हैं। सो 11 माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 6। ओके, नेक्स्ट एट 100 प्लेस यहाँ पे 1 था, 100 प्लेस पे पहले 1 था, लेकिन 100 ने अगर 100 टेंस को दे दिया तो इसके पास क्या बचा, इसके पास रिमेन केवल 0 बचा। सो अब हम 0 में से 6 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर नहीं सकते हैं, तो फिर हम क्या करेंगे, हम 1000 से बोरो करेंगे। हम 1000 से बोरो करेंगे तो 1000 के पास 7000 है, वो 7000 में से 1100 को देगा। जब वो 1100 को देगा तो हम जानते हैं 1000 इज इक्वल टू 10 हंड्रेड्स। ओके, लेकिन यहाँ पे 100 के प्लेस पे 0 है, सो हम 0 100 में 10 100 को ऐड कर देंगे, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, 10 100 ही मिलेगा। सो हम यहाँ पे 10 100 राइट करेंगे, 1 को कट करेंगे और 10 100 राइट करेंगे। अब हम 10 100 में से 600 को ईजिली माइनस कर सकते हैं। सो 10 माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू 4। ओके, अब 1000 प्लेस पे 7 था, इसने 1000 100 को दे दिया, तो यहाँ पे कितना बचा, ओनली 6। यहाँ पे कितना बचा, ओनली 6। तो 6 में से तो 2 माइनस हो सकता है, तो हम इजली इसको माइनस करेंगे। 6 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 4। ओके, सो द सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ 7123 minus 2657 is equal to 4466. Okay, now look at the next example. Example number 2, subtract 3864 from 8752. So what we will first write a smaller number below bigger number. So which is bigger number, 8752 is bigger number and 3864 is a smaller number. Okay, so we will write 3864 below 8752, and now we will start to subtract. We will start from ones. We have to subtract 4 ones from 2 ones, but we cannot subtract 4 ones from 2 ones, so we will borrow from tens, and when we will borrow from tens, it will be 12 ones, because it's 2 ones already, and 2 ones plus 10 ones is equal to 12 ones. So now we can subtract it. 12 ones from 4 ones is equal to 8 ones. Okay, and move on tens. At tens, only 4 tens were left, because 5 tens have given 1 tens to ones. So can we subtract 6 tens from 4? No, we cannot subtract it. So again we will borrow from 100, and when we will borrow from 100, it will 14 tens, because 10 tens plus 4 10 is equal to 14 tens. And now we can subtract it. 14 tens minus 6, so 8 tens. Okay. Again, at 100 place, here left only 6 hundreds. So we cannot subtract 800 from 600. So again we will borrow from 1000. So when we will borrow from 1000, it will be 1600. It will be 1600 because 1000 plus 600 is equal to 1600. And now we can subtract 800 from 1600. So 1600 minus 800 is equal to 18. Okay. And now at 1000 place, here left only 7000. Okay. And we have to subtract 3. So we can subtract it. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Look at the next example. Example number 3. Subtract 1235 from 5000. So firstly we will write 1235 below 5000 because 5000 is bigger number and 1235 is smaller number. And now we will start subtract from ones. We have to subtract 5 ones from 0 ones. So tell me, can we subtract 5 ones from 0 ones? No, we cannot subtract it. So we will borrow it from tens. But here we can see tens is already 0. Tens is already 0. So tens will borrow from 100. But at 100 it also 0. So 100 will borrow from 1000. So at 1000 place 5000. So firstly it will give 1000 to 100. 1000 to 100, and we know 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. Okay, so it will be give 200. So here will be 10 hundreds. Okay, and after that 100 will give to tens. 100 will give to tens. So it will give 100 to tens, and we know 100 is equal to 10 tens. So here it will give 2 tens. So tens will be 10. Tens will be 10. And next, and now tens will give 1 10 to ones. So 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. So it will be here 10 ones. And now we can subtract 10 from 5 ones from 10 ones. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Okay, and at tens place, when it will give 1 tens to ones, here left only 9 tens. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, similarly at 100, when 100 will give 100 to tens, here left only 9 ones. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, and now 1000 place, when it will give 1000 to 100, here left only 4000. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so the answer is 3765. Okay, I hope you have understood subtraction with borrow. And now you have to solve exercise 4.3. You have to solve question number 1 from A to X of exercise 4.3. Okay.